11 minutes in, pinagpapawisan na ako ng madali. So, bilis lang tong 1 hour. Try ko 1.5. Currently at 1,700 calories. Then, everyday push up 200. Ibigay ng coach ko. Tapos, dalawa yung carb meal ko. Breakfast and pre-workout. So, very excited. A month ago, I was at 21% body fats. Tapos, now I'm at around 18. Nag-in body ako hapon. Tumaas yung muscle mass ko. And nabawas yung timbang ko. I think it was 82.5 to 81. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Kung kaya ko, kaya din.